An epic mountain cooking adventure today and a giveaway with my friends from BougeRV. Stick around till the end of the video to find out how to win. Welcome back, everybody. A beautiful morning up here in the Colorado Rockies. We have the Blackstone set up beside the tailgate. It's breakfast time, but I have something super exciting and brand new to share with you first, and it just so happens to be in the back seat of my truck. A big shout out to my very long-time friends from BougeRV. Over the years, you've seen me using my BougeRV refrigerator and power station across the Colorado Rockies. They have all kinds of new products, including new refrigerators. And they hooked me up with this brand new 52-quart CRD2 portable refrigerator freezer. Let me send the drone up. I'll show you where we're at. We'll check out some of the features, and then we'll cook breakfast. It has these really cool spring-loaded side handles and a telescoping handle, sort of like a suitcase. A new feature, the display turns off if you don't touch it for 1 minute. And I can't say enough about the display and wireless app that allows you instant control over all the unit settings right from your phone. A little bit of a more sleek design on top. I don't know if it's a selling point or not, but my old one had 4 cup holder divots. This one has 6. Let's see what it has under the hood, or should I say both hoods. That's right, 2 lids on this new version. Because you might recall, you can set the temperature to either side independent of the other side. You can have refrigerator, freezer, freezer, refrigerator, freezer, freezer. I have the breakfast basics in mind today. There's only 3 of us that came out to play today. So one side, I have our bread and mule deer breakfast sausage from our very successful deer hunt last fall. And you know, I'm not gonna go up into the mountains without my roasted Pueblo green chili. The baskets are removable, and the larger side with the basics for my breakfast today, you can see there's tons of space left over. I could have easily packed enough food for 4, 5, 6 meals in this baby. Eggs and potatoes for home fries, the Heinz ketchup, and a couple of waters. Nice lights on the inside end. Lots and lots of space. It runs on AC. I've had this plugged into the wall at my house all week. DC plugs straight into the truck, and you could even run it off of your power station. And it also has a removable 240 watt-hour battery, which allows you to take this thing way off grid. So big thank you to my friends at BougeRV. They gave me a discount code for you, Todd6, TODD6. It's an extra 6%, which is really cool, and I think you could even use that in addition to sales that they have running. Also, first time showing the brand new 17-inch Flex Fold Blackstone, the mule deer breakfast sausage that I mentioned earlier. And I'll put those aside till later. Crack open those potatoes, chop them up at the house, and have them soaking in cold water so they don't turn brown. Avocado oil on a smoking hot griddle. Down with the potatoes. I'm a one-trick pony, but how about we use some rosemary garlic rub today? Something a little bit different, a little more oil if I need it. Clean up my cutting board, crack open those roasted Pueblo green chilies. Shout out to my buddy Joey Musso. Small pieces so we can put these in the home fries. Another quick mix, and down with the green chili. I would say these potatoes are about halfway done. So I'll scoot these over to one side, let these finish cooking while we get started on the sausage. Sausage looking incredible. only one burner, so we're gonna go down to low. Scoot the sausages over here with the home fries and keep everything nice and warm. Sourdough toast that I pre-buttered at the house before we left. We'll get a toast on that bread. Not too shabby. One piece got a little ripped up, so we can call that Griddler's Choice. Move that toast over here on top of the sausage. Keep it safe so it doesn't burn. And we can make our eggs. Go down with my silicone egg rings. And I think this will be killer on the eggs. Everything bagel with jalapeno. Just don't tell anybody that I broke a yolk. I cleaned my cutting board up off camera. Get everything on the platter while those eggs finish cooking. Sausage. Grab those eggs, boom, and a big old pile of home fries down on my platter as well. And take a look at that. We have a storm moving in, so we're gonna eat breakfast really quick. So thanks for watching, everybody. Todd 6, Todd 6. That's the new 52 quart BougeRV portable refrigerator freezer. Till next time, this is Todd and a couple of my kiddos. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the breakfast. My friends at BougeRV want to give away a brand new T1 camping light. It's amazing. It's an $80 value. It's the complete camping light situation. The thing is sweet. You gotta leave a comment down below. You gotta let me know why you wanna win. You have to reference the video in some regard. Like, you know, tell me if the food looked good or if you like the Rocky Mountains, whatever, just let me know. You have to be in the lower 48. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So thumbs up to the video, comment, let me know you wanna win and all that good stuff. And we'll pick a winner. Don't forget about my BougeRV discount code. Todd 6, Todd 6. Thanks for watching, everybody.